Hey, welcome to Billy Unboxing, and today I'm super excited. We are going to be unboxing two of the brand new Barbie Fashionistas dolls, doll number 106 and doll number 111. So let's start with doll number 111. So this is one of the curvy dolls. You can see she has blonde hair and green eyes. She's wearing a t-shirt that says love and has a polka dotted skirt. And then she's wearing black high-heeled shoes. You can see the Fashionistas now come, there's a slightly different packaging on the front of the box. And the dolls showed on the back, they look smaller than on the boxes previously. Let's open it up. Alright, so as you can see, she has blonde hair, but it's not like all blonde. There's sort of like, it sort of shimmers a little bit. There's a little bit of a brown hint in there. You can see, we've seen this face mold before in this line. That's okay, it's a really cool one. She's got a choker on, which is nice and cool. Yeah, so that's cool. Let's take a look at the other doll. So this is doll number 106. You can see this is the same face mold as one of the dolls that was in the last line. And you can see she's got cool pink chandelier earrings on. Very cool floral skirt. And really awesome sort of blue periwinkle-ish colored high heel shoes. Cool, so you can see she's got long, flowing, dark brown hair. I like the shoes a lot. I think the shoes are really cool. Right now they're sort of elasticed together, so the shoes will stay on, I guess, in the box. This doll is really cool. This is one of the regular dolls, but you can see the two side by side. Anyways, let me know, are you wanting to add doll number 106 or doll number 111 into your collection? Which other dolls from this line are you excited to see? Anyways, please like and subscribe and check out more videos. Peace!